It's for what? What?
It is for you.
What is the occasion?
Christmas.
Christmas. Oh, so
I love my wife.
sweet. Thank you, hon. I got the flowers. Thank you, hon. Hi everyone, hi guys. Thank you for subscribing on my channel, and I'm just sharing this because I got the flowers from my husband, and I wanna just say Merry Christmas.
Hello.
There you go. Hi everyone! Thank you for watching all my vlogs. Oh no, it's not a vlog at all. It's a news in the Philippines, and thank you for all who subscribe on me. I don't know kung ano naman nangyayari sa channel ko. Imbis na maging vlog, para na siya naging news. Pero po, thank you po. Merry Christmas everyone. Ayun, nanood kami ng AQUAMAN today. So here in the USA it's only 24, 25 tomorrow. In the Philippines it's already 25, right? So sorry, AQUAMAN is what can you say about the AQUAMAN, hon?
Well, they were smart. They didn't take any risks. They didn't try to go too dark with it. They kept it light, jokes in. Stuck to a very standardized story structure, and I think it paid off for them.
So pretty. Pwede po kayo magbigay ng suggestions. Hindi ko alam kung hindi na ako pwede mag-makeup. Mahilig po ako sa makeup, ganyan-ganyan. Hindi ko po alam kung po pwedeng ilagay sa aking channel. So, baka more on views na lang. Para naman may pagkabalahan. Mukhang mas marami akong viewer doon kaysa sa mga vlog-vlog ko. Sa bagay, marami naman nag-vlog na. At wala namang may gusto ng aking buhay. Ano ba yun? Okay. Wala po akong makeup. Di pa nag-makeup. Look guys, this is so pretty. Oh yeah, I heard that someone is snoring on the other room. It's Dad.
And this morning, the weight of the comforter.
No, I'm with Drew. Drew is always snoring.
Didn't faze me any at all. I couldn't even tell it was.
You want me to swing by the drugstore
No.
on the way home?
No, I don't care. I've got everything I need.
Hi guys. Hi guys. So we're going now in the
That's how doctors
church
say.
with my mother-in-law, father-in-law, and my husband.
And my cold isn't really
So,
clearing up.
let's see it here. That's our
Still isn't
area.
in my lungs yet though, so he's just gonna put me onto a
Here
steroid.
you need to have a
Go along
seatbelt.
with, now he's gonna move up to ciprofloxacin.
Close this one.
I prefer because I don't think the CPACs even affect me.
It's right, put me up my ears.
It's here. We're going now to the church. Pupunta na kami ng church. Kasi it's 24. 24 here now, tanghali. Yeah. I just decided that my viewers are all Filipinos, so I will just speak Filipinos. That's my target now, on my Filipinos. Hi everyone, we're here now in the church, and here on the church we also have this one. This is a Methodist church, right? So we have this one, and then we're going to light up later. In the Philippines, I am born again. While we're here, we don't have any swipe card. Wala kami makita born again Christian dito. Baka malayo. Kaya dito na kami nag-church. Yummy.
I think your wishful thinking was down to 11. We'll be taking off his winter sweater.
Guys, these are our gifts for tomorrow, so we will open it for tomorrow and keep on building America.
That's Drew's drawing. These two are Drew's. The other one was Bryce's, wasn't it? Where he scratched the ink?
Wow, nice.
I think so.
This is Dad's workroom. Ta-da! And then we're going to set a fireworks for Christmas Eve. So we have this one.
Alright, so what do you want me to tell her, about 5 minutes?
Pixie doll.
Yes.
Okay.
This one. Merry Christmas. Hi everyone, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from Martin's family. This.
What does our insurance not cover anymore?
Merry Christmas.